Hey guys, I'm so excited to announce that HerGivenHair now has Drawstring Ponytail. So it comes inside of this mini little hair box, which is so cute. And of course, inside of the box you have the pamphlet that gives you instructions about how to care for your hair and things like that. And then you also get an extra set of clips just in case yours mess up or anything. So this is the details of the Drawstring Ponytails. You can see that it has net. It has two small clips, one at the top and one at the bottom. And then on the other side of the net, of course, the hair is wefted. So this is just a quick demonstration of how to use a drawstring ponytail. Of course, your hair will go in the middle, and then you would just drawstring ponytail it up, and then you can go about your business. So yeah, we're gonna first get started by co-washing. I always like to co-wash my HerGivenHair. It just looks a lot better when you do that. So I'm just gonna run it in some water, and of course use my favorite conditioner, which is the Suave Coconut Conditioner. And I'm just gonna work that into the ponytail so that the curls can start to pop. Every time I co-wash the hair, the curls, they elongate and they just come to life and they instantly get soft. So make sure you always do that. And a lot of people talk about how their hair gets dry. It's because you should not use shampoo at all. I never use shampoo on my HerGivenHair, which helps it to last a lot longer and it helps it to keep its softness. So if you experience your hair getting dry, then just don't use shampoo. So after I rinse all of the conditioner out and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and twist it up. You don't have to do a twist out on it, but I just wanted to because I like the way that it looks. So I'm just gonna put it on my mannequin head, and I'm gonna pin it in place with my little T-pin so it doesn't move. Next, I'm going to add my Curls Dynasty Kalahari leave-in conditioner to the hair. Then I'm going to start sectioning off the ponytail. I'm going to do about 4 rows and 2 twists in each row. So I'm going to use the Curls Dynasty Twisted Definition Cream. I'm going to add a little bit of that to each section, detangle it and twist it down, making sure to twirl it at the ends. Altogether, I have 8 twists. You can see they're looking real nice and juicy, and I just let that air dry overnight. Alright, so my hair is in a O twist out, and I'm going to start by putting a part down the middle. I noticed that my scalp was looking a little dry, so I'm using the El Natural Light and Hair Body Oil just to get rid of that dryness and bring it back to life, because it's not gonna look good if you have a dry scalp. Your ponytail is just not gonna be the same. So I'm gonna start by just spritzing my hair with water. It's good to spray your hair with water before you start brushing it so you can reduce the amount of breakage. And then I'm just gonna start smoothing my hair down before I add any product or anything to it. So I'm basically just training my hair and getting it ready to get in the ponytail. And then I'm gonna use my Eco Styler Gel. Yes, I still use Eco Styler Gel, and I'm gonna put a lot on. I like to use a lot of gel because I find that the more gel that I use, the better my hair lays, and I just pack it on. Next, I'm going to start by smoothing one section down. I like to do one side of my hair at a time just so I can, stay focused and make sure that it's super smooth. And the parts that, I feel my hair, and then if it doesn't feel smooth in certain parts, I go in with my my rat tail comb, and I just smooth it with the comb because it's a lot easier than just brushing over the hair with your brush. And I'm going to do that to both sides. Alright, once everything is nice and smooth, I'm going to actually use a snappy. I just made a video about this if you want more information on it. So I put one end of the snappy at the base of my hair, and then I'm going to keep on wrapping until I get to my desired tightness. I love these hair bands, y'all. Like, these are my new favorite thing. And then I'm just going to wrap my hair with a scarf so that it can start to set. So I'm going to split the ponytail into two, and then I'm going to do two twists on each side. Once I do that, I'm going to twist the twist together and then wrap it and then put a little hairband over it. This isn't a snappy, this is just a regular headband. So now it's the fun part, what we've all been waiting for. But no, hold on. Look at those waves. Let's just take a moment to look at that. Bun by itself is amazing. But anyway, the fun part is the HerGivenHair drawstring ponytail. So I'm just going to go ahead and start taking down the twist. A little bit more information about this ponytail. This is the coily hair. The bundle weighs about 3.5 ounces. The hair comes in the color 1B, which is a natural color. My ponytail length is 16 inches and they're available in kinky, coily, curly, and the kinky blowout style. To apply the drawstring ponytail, you're just gonna add the clips at the top and at the bottom of your bun. So just at the base. And then once you have it in there nice and secure, to make it even more secure, you're going to pull the drawstring ponytail. You can see I'm pulling it out, and then it has that little piece that you push up and it makes it really tight. And then to secure it even more, you can wrap the extra string around your hair, and then after I wrap it all the way around, I secure it at the bottom so that you won't be able to see it. Alright y'all, so you see it's looking kind of wiggy ponytail-y. Like, it doesn't look natural, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to fluff it out some more so that it's not as detectable. So I'm just going to go into each little piece and I'm just going to make it bigger and bigger and bigger so that it can be, I don't know, it can look more natural. I found that when I started separating it, it looked a lot more natural. Then I'm going to pick it at the roots and then just keep on playing with the shape and everything so that it can fit and it looks good on me. I was so excited when I found out that HerGivenHair came out with these drawstring ponytails. These are like a lifesaver. When you're having a bad hair day, you can just slick your hair down, throw in a ponytail, and go. It's just genius, man. So I absolutely love these ponytails. They are great quality, just like all of their hair. I don't know, the construction is amazing. Like, they never disappoint. They never disappoint. So I'm just doing my baby hairs. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, girl. So yeah, I absolutely love the drawstring ponytails. I think the coily hair matches my hair texture the best. I have type 4A, type 4B hair. So if you have like the same type as me, then this will work for you. And on their website, they give you a guide that lets you know what's the best hair texture to match with your hair. But yeah, I absolutely love this ponytail. I can't wait to do like bun styles, maybe like an updo style. Let me know if you guys want to see this ponytail again, because you know I can make another video. I can absolutely make another video. But if you guys want to get more information about this ponytail and the HerGivenHair website, I'll have everything down below in the description box. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.